What's up, y'all? It's trade recap for June 17th. So, going into the morning, I noticed that we had our 4 hour CRT. This was our CRT candle. And once the 6 a.m. opened, I noticed that we had taken out the low. And once I noticed that we were going to close above while also inside of this 6 hour key level. So, we tapped this key level, took out the CRT low. And so, I was very bullish then. Once it looked like the candle was going to close above, confirming higher prices, that's when I went to go look for my turtle soup. So I started on a 15 minute to look for my soup. So once I noticed my soup on a 15 minute, I waited for this candle to become my order block. So I waited for price to close above this candle for me to go long. So once price closed above this candle, I was very bullish. And so that's when I went to my 5 minute to look for my entry. So in the 5 minutes, as you can see, we closed above, confirming higher prices. And we also had this BISI. So once I noticed that, I was very confident that price will come back to this BISI before going long. So I waited for price to come back inside of this BISI. Then I longed, targeting the range high. And as you can see, came back into it and then shot higher. And from the execution right here, I'll be showing you. So here's the execution. Waited for the order block to be confirmed. BISI entry, price went higher. And as you can see, target was hit. Move my stop from this low to here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And then we ended up forming this big dick ass candle. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. And the execution will be on Twitter if you guys want to go through it.